How to log out from Amazon Kindle. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Amazon Kindle account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Amazon Kindle application on your mobile device. Here you need to ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. At the bottom right, you will be able to see 3 horizontal bars that says More. Tap on those 3 horizontal bars, and once doing that, you will be taken to this page. In this page, at the very bottom, you will be able to see Sign Out option. Go ahead and tap on Sign Out, and it will ask you to confirm. Once you sign out from your device, this will delete all your downloaded content from your device. But you will also get the option to sync all the information that you have previously created. So now go ahead and tap on Sign Out in order to proceed further. After doing that, it will start re-registering your account, and then you will see you have successfully been logged out from your account. So now in the future, if you want to log in back to your Amazon Kindle account, you will need to come back to this page and type in Sign In with Amazon at the very top. And from there, you need to use your credentials in order to log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign out or log out from Amazon Kindle. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.